We scroll, we swipe, we tap, hypnotized by the glowing rectangles in our palms. The world melts away, replaced by curated feeds and digital dopamine hits. We're trapped in a matrix of our own making, slaves to the notifications and updates. But mindfulness offers the red pill, a chance to wake up from the digital dream and reclaim your reality. This video equips you with tools to break free, mindful awareness exercises, digital detox hacks, and strategies to reconnect with the world around you. Discover the beauty, the joy, the richness of present moment experience waiting just beyond the screen's edge. Does your phone vibrate when it's not even in your hand? Do notifications sing siren songs, luring you into the shimmering, bottomless pool of social media? Fear not, fellow phone phantoms. Today, we break free from the digital chains and cultivate mindful habits for a present, less distracted life. Imagine mindfulness as a phone detox potion, not a boring lecture. We'll swap screen scrolls for gentle awareness, silencing the inner notifications demanding your attention. No more zombie walks, no more phantom buzzes, just conscious choices and a rediscovery of the vibrant world around you. So, welcome to the Soul Path. Hit that subscribe button and grab your metaphorical mindfulness compass. Together, we'll chart a course toward a life less tethered to screens, rediscover the joys of the present moment, and prove that sometimes, the best connection is the one you have with yourself and the world around you. And if you find this digital detox particularly liberating, consider a super thanks donation. It helps others break free from the notification chains too. Remember, your life isn't a story unfolding on a screen, it's a grand adventure waiting to be experienced. Let's ditch the digital distractions, embrace the present moment, and write your own epic tale, one mindful step at a time. Go forth, phone phantoms, and reclaim your attention. The incessant need to check our phones, whether for notifications, updates, or the latest news, can lead to a perpetual state of distraction. In this video, we'll explore mindful habits designed to help you break free from the digital leash, regain control of your attention, and embrace the richness of the present moment. One, mindful phone checks. Pause, reflect, proceed. Rather than reflexively reaching for your phone every time it buzzes, adopt a mindful approach to phone checks. Pause for a moment, take a conscious breath, and reflect on your intention for grabbing your device. Is it a genuine need, or is it driven by habit or boredom? Before unlocking your phone, take 3 intentional breaths. With each breath, ask yourself if checking your phone aligns with your current priorities and values. This simple practice introduces a moment of mindfulness, allowing you to make conscious decisions about when and why you engage with your device. 2. Digital minimalism. Streamline your apps. Our phones are often cluttered with apps that demand our attention. Embrace digital minimalism by decluttering your home screen and removing apps that don't serve a purpose. Create a space on your device that fosters intentionality and reduces the visual noise that contributes to mindless scrolling. Regularly review the apps on your phone and delete those that no longer align with your goals or values. By streamlining your digital environment, you create a more intentional and focused space that encourages mindful engagement with technology. 3. Mindful notifications. Choose your interruptions. Notifications can be a constant source of distraction, pulling your attention away from the present moment. Take control of your notifications by being intentional about what deserves immediate attention. Disable non-essential notifications and customize settings to minimize interruptions. Review and adjust your notification settings. Turn off non-essential notifications and limit alerts to only those that require immediate attention. This intentional approach allows you to reclaim your focus and engage with your phone on your terms. 4. Tech-free zones. Create sacred spaces. Designate specific areas or times as tech-free zones to foster moments of uninterrupted presence. Whether it's during meals, in the bedroom, or during quality time with loved ones, establish spaces where the digital world takes a back seat to the richness of real-life experiences. Commit to having at least one meal a day without your phone. Create a sacred space where you savor your food, engage in conversation, or simply enjoy the quietude. This mindful habit not only promotes a healthier relationship with technology but also enhances your appreciation for the present moment. Five. Mindful screen time. Set intentional limits. Mindful screen time involves setting intentional limits on how much time you spend on your devices. Utilize screen time tracking features on your phone to gain insights into your digital habits. Establish realistic goals for reducing overall screen time and allocate your digital minutes mindfully. Regularly review your screen time statistics to gain insights into your digital habits. Set achievable goals for reducing overall screen time and allocate intentional time for activities that contribute to your well-being. This reflective practice empowers you to make informed choices about your digital engagement. Six. Mindful transition rituals. Unplug gradually. Create mindful transition rituals to ease yourself out of the digital realm and into the present moment. Instead of abruptly ending screen time, establish calming rituals that signal a shift from the digital world to the physical world. As the day winds down, adopt a sunset screens ritual. Gradually decrease your screen brightness in the evening, signaling to your brain that it's time to unwind. Engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as reading a book, practicing gentle stretches, or enjoying a calming beverage. This intentional transition enhances your ability to be present in the moments that follow. Seven. Mindful engagement. Quality over quantity. Shift your focus from mindless scrolling to mindful engagement. Instead of consuming an overwhelming amount of information, choose quality over quantity. Be selective about the content you consume, savoring each moment of digital interaction. Commit to a one-task, one-moment approach when engaging with your phone. Whether it's responding to messages, checking social media, or reading articles, immerse yourself fully in one task at a time. By cultivating mindful engagement, you not only reduce digital overwhelm but also enhance the quality of your online experiences. As we wrap up our exploration of mindful habits to break free from this digital entanglement, let's reflect on the profound words of Steve Jobs: "Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life." These words underscore the importance of reclaiming our time and attention, urging us to be intentional about how we engage with the digital landscape. In the age of perpetual connectivity, the ability to consciously choose when and how we interact with our devices becomes a superpower. The mindful habits we've discussed, mindful phone checks, digital minimalism, intentional notifications, tech-free zones, mindful screen time, transition rituals, and mindful engagement, are not just tools, they are the building blocks of a lifestyle where you are in control of your relationship with technology. It's about crafting a digital landscape that aligns with your values, priorities, and well-being. Digital mindfulness is not about complete detachment from the digital world. It's about embracing a harmonious and intentional coexistence. The practices shared here invite you to engage with your devices consciously, finding moments of presence amid the digital noise. By adopting these habits, you open the door to a more meaningful and present way of living in our tech-driven society. In the pursuit of breaking free from the digital leash, the true treasure lies in the liberation of presence. The moments when you resist the urge to mindlessly check your phone and instead savor the richness of the now are moments of profound empowerment. Each intentional pause, every mindful engagement, becomes a declaration of your autonomy, a choice to live your life fully and authentically. As you embark on this journey toward digital wellness, remember that it's not about perfection but progress. It's a journey of self-discovery, where you learn to navigate the digital landscape with wisdom and discernment. The mindful habits you cultivate are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your daily life, gradually sprouting into a flourishing garden of presence and intention. In the words of Lamont, almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. This sentiment encapsulates the invitation to disconnect, to unplug not just our devices but ourselves from the incessant demands of the digital realm. By breaking free from the digital leash, you rediscover the simple joys of life, the warmth of genuine connections, the beauty of nature, and the depth of your own thoughts. Embrace the power of your choices, relish the beauty of the present moment, and cultivate a digital landscape that enhances, rather than detracts from, the quality of your life. Remember, you hold the key to breaking free moment by moment, choice by choice, into a life where your time is truly your own, and the present moment is cherished above all. We've reached the end, friends, but this isn't goodbye, it's a new beginning. You've just planted the seeds of mindful living, ready to blossom into a less distracted, more present life. Remember, reclaiming your attention from the digital vortex isn't about ditching your phone, it's about reshaping your relationship with it. Be the master, not the slave. Now, take a deep breath and feel the world come alive. Embrace the warmth of human connection, the wonder of a quiet moment, the richness of presence. This isn't a fad, it's a revolution. Share it with those you love. Spread the word of mindful living, of breaking free from the digital leash. Be the ripple of change in a sea of distraction. And if this journey resonated, hit that subscribe button to join me on future explorations. Consider hitting that super thanks button too. Your support fuels my fire to build a world where technology whispers empowerment, not addiction. So, until we meet again, go forth and embrace the now. Be present, be connected, be free. See you on the other side.